Welcome to our video. Today we're showing the top 5 best waterproof phone cases to keep your phone safe from water, dust, and damage. Whether you're traveling, swimming, or using your phone in the shower, these cases offer strong protection and convenience. Let's dive in and find the best one for you. Number 5. Shower Waterproof Phone Case. This shower waterproof phone case is a perfect solution for those who want to use their phone safely even in the bathroom. Its strong waterproof and anti-fog design allows you to watch videos, take calls, or scroll social media while showering without worrying about water damage. The touch-sensitive screen works smoothly even when the case is closed. It easily sticks to the wall, making it very convenient to use. This case is ideal for daily use and adds comfort to your routine. If you want a simple and effective way to protect your phone from water, this is a great choice. Number 4. 2L Waterproof Crossbody Phone Bag. The 2L Waterproof Crossbody Phone Bag is a versatile and practical accessory for outdoor lovers. Whether you are going to the beach, swimming, or traveling, this bag keeps your phone and essentials safe from water, dust, and sand. Its spacious design allows you to carry more than just your phone, such as money, keys, or cards. The adjustable strap makes it easy to wear as a crossbody bag. Made with durable waterproof material, it ensures full protection in wet conditions. This is a perfect companion for adventures, where you need both convenience and safety. Number 3. 3-Layer Waterproof Phone Pouch. This 3-layer waterproof phone pouch offers maximum protection for your device in extreme conditions. With its triple-layer sealing system, it prevents water from entering even when fully submerged. The transparent design allows you to use your phone's touchscreen and camera without removing it from the pouch. It is perfect for swimming, diving, kayaking, and other water activities. The secure lock system ensures your phone stays safe at all times. Lightweight and easy to carry, this pouch is ideal for anyone who wants strong and reliable waterproof protection during outdoor adventures. Number 2. IP68 Waterproof iPhone Case. The IP68 Waterproof iPhone Case is designed for full body protection, making it perfect for underwater use in extreme environments. It protects your phone from water, dust, and shocks, ensuring durability in any situation. With IP68 certification, you can safely take your phone underwater for photos and videos. The case also supports MagSafe, allowing easy wireless charging and accessories use. Its precise design maintains full access to all buttons and features. This is a premium choice for iPhone users who need maximum protection without compromising functionality or performance. Number 1. Heavy-Duty Waterproof iPhone Case. The heavy-duty waterproof iPhone case is built for ultimate protection and durability. Made with strong metal and Gorilla Glass, it offers excellent resistance against water, drops, and scratches. This case is perfect for people who work in tough environments or love outdoor adventures. It provides full body protection while maintaining a stylish and solid design. The waterproof feature ensures your phone stays safe even in wet conditions. With its heavy-duty build and premium materials, this case is a reliable choice for those who want maximum safety and long-lasting performance for their device. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.